Welcome to another beautiful day dealing with your favorite inspector. Today I have an inspection in Auburn. It's a dishwasher leak. Apparently it affected the kitchen, the dining room, and the crawl space. So I'm gonna go there. All right guys, we are at the property. Now let's go see what's going on. Let's see what's popping around her. As you can see right there, bam. If my meter turns red, you know it's wet. Yep, called it. All right, team. So I finished the inspection at the customer's house in Auburn with the dishwasher leak. The dishwasher affected the sink cabinet and the left cabinet next to the dishwasher. It also affected the drywall, some baseboards, and the laminate flooring. The water went into the crawl space, which affected a little bit of the insulation. I would say 5 by 4, and just a couple of puddles on the vapor barrier. I helped the customer file the insurance claim. She signed a work authorization. He called us right away. He was able to extend coverage right away. And so yeah, right now I'm dropping off samples and we can go from there. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe, give it a like, thumbs up if you really love this video.